Alright, for this video we're going to look at differentiation rules, some easy ones. So we're going to look at the sum rule. I don't know what to call it, but the constant rule. If you multiply a derivative by a constant. And I think that's about it. We get the sum rule, constant multiple rule. We can look at the derivative of some simple functions anyhow. So here we go. Sum rule, we have that f plus g of x, if you want to do prime that's equal to f prime of x plus g prime of x. So again, if f, g are differentiable, then this is true. Okay, so let's prove it. Let's write out the definitions of the derivatives for these functions. So here up top, for this side here, we'd have the limit as h goes to 0 of f plus g of x plus h minus f plus minus f plus g of x divided by h. Now again, this f plus g of x plus h is just f of x plus h plus g of x plus h, so I'm gonna go ahead and write that out that way. So f of x plus h plus g of x plus h minus f of x plus g of x all divided by h. Okay, and then here we're going to group terms in some way that makes us happy. Usually that means grouping the f's together and grouping the g's together. So f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h plus g of x plus h minus g of x all over h. That kind of makes me happy. So we're taking the limit of this bad boy right here. And we can break up the limit because it's differentiable. These limits exist, so the limit of the sum is the sum of the limits. So we can say that that is going to be f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h plus the limit as h goes to 0 of g of x plus h minus g of x all over h. And magically we have that this is equal to f prime of x plus g prime of x. Yay. Now we need a minute. Do we need a second here to just, yeah, okay. So awesome. That was great. Next up we have multiple by a constant rule. So what about d dx of c times f of x? What's that equal to? Well, let's do it. So d dx of c times f of x is equal to the limit as h goes to 0 of c times f of x plus h minus c times f of x all over h. And we can pull out the c and say that that's c times f of x plus h minus c times f of x. Whoops, the c doesn't belong there. Getting distracted by my buddy on the interwebs. Over h. Now we're running out of paper, but that's okay because we don't follow the rules. Limit, we're going to take the c out now because a constant can come out of a limit. We know that from the limit rules. So we just wind up getting this, which is equal to c times f prime of x. Yay, again. Now as an exercise, so try to prove that, oh shit, I need another. Try to prove that f minus g of x prime is equal to f prime of x minus g prime of x. And the hint, use the above rules. So use the rules that we've seen just before, and use c equals minus 1. See what that does. And if anyone still wants some help, post about it in the comments and I will help you out.